What's up YouTube? This is your girl D-Spoiled-Ass-Tabor coming to you with another video, and today's video is going to be on an item that I received from Fashionphile. I do want to give a shout out to all my new subscribers, saying thank you for subscribing to my channel. My oldies but goodies, thank you for hanging in there with me. Today is July the 4th, so I just want to say Happy Independence Day to everyone out there. Your girl just got off work, so I needed to get this video done. I received this item Tuesday, and I was going to try to get it done Wednesday. It didn't happen, so I'm going to go ahead and get this video done. And this is an item that I had my eye on for a while, and I was on YouTube, and I tried to find some videos on it. I found some similar to it, but not actually this item. So that was another reason why I wanted to get it out there. And I hope that this item works out for me, but I'll get into more details once I start unboxing it. So without further ado, let's go ahead and do this. So here is the packaging. I haven't opened it. Like I said, I got it Tuesday, and I've been waiting on it. So you guys, let's open it up. Okay, like I said, the item is from Fashionphile. And here's all the confetti. Here is another fingernail file border. Thank you for that, Fashionphile. I'll add it to the collection. Here is my proof of purchase, my receipt in there. Here is the card saying that Fashionphile partnered up with Neiman's Market. And there's the thank you card. Now this item did come with the dust bag, the box. It was in excellent condition. Here is the empty box. Here is the used is the new. Like I said, this item is a Louis Vuitton item. Here is the Louis Vuitton box. And I'm pretty sure you already done figured out what it is. Here is the drawstring. Here is the Fashionphile dust bag. Let's see, did I bring my phone in here? Okay, guess not. So you guys, the item that I got is here. Well, let me show you, and then I'll just tell you the name of it. So the item that your girl picked up was the Louis Vuitton boots, and these boots are called the Louis Vuitton Calfskin Monogram Star Trail. It comes with the box, the 2 dust bags, and this item was in excellent condition. I've had my eyes on this for a while. And like I said, I've seen on YouTube all of the other boots, but none of them was actually this one here. And when I said earlier, I'll explain. This was a size 39. I'm a size 8.5. And I know previously, like when I went to Vegas and I tried on some shoes and I tried on a 38 and it was too tight. So I wasn't for sure if I needed like a 38.5 or a 39. So I was like, okay, I'm just going to take a chance. I'm going to try this 39 and hopefully it fits. If not, your girl will send it back and get what else I got my eyes set on. So, like I said, here are the tags. You know, once you remove the tags, the item become yours. So we won't be removing them just yet. You guys, I do like them. And let me show you the bottom of them. Here is the bottom of them. They're in excellent condition. Let's see, I don't think I brought a pair of socks to actually try it on. Your girl just got off work. So, I'm not even sure how you try these mugs on. And one of the reasons why I liked them because of the belt itself. I do know they have another pair where it's without the belt and the Louis Vuitton goes down the side right here. Let's see if I can find me a sock real quick. Give me 1 second. Let me grab a sock. Okay, I'm back. Had to go grab some socks. So we can try these on and see if this works for you, girl. I'm hoping this works, you guys, because I've had my eyes on these for a minute. I'm going to try on both of them. I don't know if it's just kind of tight because they're in excellent condition. And then I'll take my camera off the tripod and show you in the mirror what it looks like. And you guys can leave me a comment down below telling me what you think. I'm sorry, I had to stand up. Well, I definitely feel like it can fit. It feels a little bit tight. So let me go ahead and grab the the camera off the tripod and put you in front of the mirror so that you can see what I'm seeing and give me your thoughts. So let's do that. Okay, you guys. So let's see if we can get a little bit more light. So you guys, what are you thinking? I hope you can see it real good. Like I said, I got on like ankle socks. They look good to me. It feels tight just right up in here. I don't know if because maybe it's not broken in. I have watched some videos where somebody was saying that, you know, you do have to break them in. So, what do you think, you guys? It's different from your girls, so I do like them. And as you can see the details real good right here, where it shows the LV on it and the buckle. So I'm going to put you back on the tripod. So you guys, this is what your girl has bought. So now I just have to decide if I like them or if they're too tight, or maybe they just need to be broken in or what. And like I said, if I decide to send them back, then I do have my eye on something else. I'm really trying not to send them back because I've had my eye on them for so long. But I will let you know what my results come out to be. Leave me a comment down below telling me what you think, if it was a yay, nay, or maybe I just needed a different outfit to rock it, you know. But your girl just wanted to come on here and share this with you. So until the next time, remember to always subscribe, give me a thumbs up, share my video, and leave a comment down below. And I still do give shout outs to all my subscribers. Y'all been sleeping on me, but I'm still here. So until the next time, your girl